We're making poster about environmental activists in the class.
Yes, this poster will be displayed on the school wall.
Environmental activists try to change people's habits through information.
I am drawing a picture about saving trees and reducing plastic.
Our campaign will remind students to protect nature every day.
This activity makes learning more interesting.
We're not only studying but also helping the environment.
I hope many students read our poster.
If they understand the message, they may change their behavior.
That is how environmental activities make a difference.